In this video, we will create a curve 5-axis toolpath. A curve 5-axis can create a 3-axis, 4-axis, or 5-axis toolpath along a 3D curve or along one or all edges of a surface. The tool axis can be oriented parallel to existing lines, normal to a surface, normal to a plane, oriented from a point or to a point. Change the graphics view to top. Then click on Fit to Screen. Create a multi-axis toolpath. Choose the OK button to accept the default NC name, and then make sure that you select the curve toolpath. Select Tool. Click on Select Library Tool. Choose a 1/16 flat end mill from the tool library. Then enter in a comment. Select Cut Pattern. The cut pattern settings determine the geometry the tool follows and how it travels along that geometry. Curve type can be chosen between 3D curves or surface edges when you are not using chain geometry. Click on the Select button, then right-click in the Chain Manager and select Add Chain. Enable 3D and Window Chaining mode. Then select the Options button and enable the Color Mask. Select only color number 9. Then, create a window around this part as shown. Sketch the approximate start point somewhere around here. Then select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. Twice. Leave the compensation type set to off. The cut tolerance determines the accuracy of the multi-axis toolpath. Maximum step sets the maximum space allowed between tool vectors. Additional vectors may be desirable in areas where the tool travels in a straight line for a large distance. Select Tool Axis Control. Change Tool Axis Control to 2-point. 2-point limits the tool axis to terminate at a selected point. Click on the Select button to the right of it, then unshade the part and select this point here. 5-axis allows tool axis rotation in any plane. The lead lag angle tilts the tool forward or backwards in the direction of the tool path. The side tilt angle tilts the tool right or left while traveling in the direction of the tool path. The angle increment is an angular measurement between adjacent tool vectors. An additional vector will be added to the tool path when the angle between calculated vectors is greater than the angle increment value. Select Collision Control. The collision control settings determine the tip compensation, establish check and compensation surface behavior, the depth at which the tool cuts along the curve, and sets gouge process settings. Change the vector depth to -0.35 inches. The value entered here is used to offset the tool tip along the tool axis vector. A positive value raises the tool above the cut pattern geometry. Infinite Look Ahead checks every tool position against every other tool position in the operation to check for gouges. Select Linking. Change your clearance value to 5 inches, your retract amount to 4 inches, and your feed plane to 0.25 inches. Then select the OK button to generate the toolpath. Once the toolpath has been completed, backplot and verify it. Once complete, your toolpath should appear as shown.